this video, I'll be showing you how to make snow pudding. First, take a saucepan and add the milk, sugar and corn flour. Mix this well and make sure that there are no lumps. Mix thoroughly, add cardamom powder and whisk again. Next, you have to place the saucepan onto the stove. Make sure the flame is at a medium and keep stirring for a few minutes. When the mixture slowly begins to get thick, you can add the ghee. Keep stirring again until it gets a little bit more thick. When you get a similar consistency as shown here, you can turn off the flame and pour it into small bowls or cups. Before pouring it, apply a little butter inside the cups so that it would be easy to remove the pudding after it sets. Wait for 10 minutes for this to slightly cool down and then refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours. After taking it out, remove the pudding from the cups and coat them thoroughly with desiccated coconut. You can then decorate it however you like before serving them. The snow pudding is now ready. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and make sure to hit that subscribe button.